Alright, hey guys, how's it going? This is video number 3, I think, for week 2. We're going to cover the song Don't Worry, or Three Little Birds by Bob Marley. I'm just going to go over where the chords go so you can get a feel from the tab. I know it can be a little confusing right at first when you're reading it. And then I'll just play the whole song through, or probably like a verse and a chorus so you can get the feel at like normal speed and see how it's supposed to sound. And then you can keep practicing with this video. If you have the chord sheet from last week, you can practice with that, or I'm going to post the links to the tabs in this blog, and you can re-click it, reprint it out if you lost it or didn't grab one, or just pull it up, on a page on the computer and watch this video next to it, just so you know where all the chords are. And then keep practicing this, and maybe you can get a section ready for next week so we can just all play it. Alright, so the chords in the beginning are pretty simple. It's mostly just C and F. And then we'll get into the chorus a little bit later. I think I said verse. We're in the verse. I don't know. I might have said chorus, but we're in the verse. So, and then the strum is pretty laid back. It's a very reggae thing. It doesn't really matter to get it exact, so don't worry about it too much. I think I'll probably just do up and down, or I might change it just because I'm not the most there with the strum when I'm focusing on the chords and talking. But this is horrible. Hey guys, how's it going? Alright, so this is video number 3 for week number 2. Woo! This is Don't Worry, or Three Little Birds by Bob Marley. And it's very simple. Some of you picked this song last week and played it through a little bit. I'm just adding this video so you can remember how the chords fit together, and then I'll play it through a second time all together so you can see how the whole song together is supposed to sound. But here first, let me just walk you through the chords and how they're supposed to go. Don't worry about the strum right now. It's pretty slow. You should probably be able to just create something. It doesn't matter if it's particularly original or fitting. Just up, down, or all down strums would work. But anything really works, and we'll focus more on the strums and getting something perfect, for that later. But don't worry about that now. So the song starts out with the first two chords are just C and F, I believe, and then the chorus is a little different, but we'll come to that, in a bit. C. Just a little bit of intro. Don't worry about a thing. Every little thing, F is gonna be alright. Back to C. Don't worry, C about a thing. Still C, answer set. Cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Back to C. And that repeats over and over again until the chorus. Cause every little thing woke up this morning along with the rising sun to G and three little birds F. You just hold it by my doorstep. We'll see again, singing sweet songs of melodies G, or and true. Singing F. This is my message to you. Back to C. don't worry. Again, a C about a thing. Then up to F. 'Cause every little thing is gonna be alright. So yeah, those are the chords, and it repeats over and over through the song, and I think the song can get really long depending on the version, and it's just those same things over and over again. So now I'll just play it all the way through full speed without telling you the chords. I know you're watching that little tab sheet I gave you, or maybe one on the internet if you lost it, but I'm believing in you that you can follow those chords for yourself, and I'll just play the song so you can get a feel for how the whole song sounds together. And yeah, and then keep practicing, and I'll see you this Friday. Alright, here we go. Every little thing is gonna be alright. I woke up this morning, smiled with their eyes in the sun. And 3 little birds were sitting by my doorstep. They're singing sweet songs of melodies pure and true, saying, "This is my message to you. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Don't worry about a thing. 'Cause every little